What about star explosions then? Are they real? Supernova events, of course, are real. Although supernova events happen, they are quite rare. Nevertheless, they cannot be the result of stars exploding. The gas-sun theory imagines stars running out of fuel, which causes them to collapse and in some cases explode in the supernova cosmic fireworks. The largest ever recorded supernova event shone with a luminosity of 500 billion stars. Still, these supergiant events are evidently not star explosions. Stars are spheres of plasma. Consequently, they cannot explode. There is no energy contained within a sphere of plasma that would cause an explosion to happen. However, it is possible that a wayward planet becomes caught up into the plasma stream that feeds into a sun. If this was to happen, when the speeding planet rams into the high-density plasma region of the confinement dome of the star's primal fields, and perhaps even rams into the star itself, the plasma interaction would rip the intruding planet's atomic structures apart and release the invested binding energy. The intruder's atoms would simply fission. The entire planet would vaporize into a cloud of dust and gas, with a portion of its atoms fissioning in an atomic explosion that makes the concept of gigantic seem small. The resulting atomic explosion would light up the region of the explosion with a brilliance of a billion suns. In a nuclear bomb explosion, only a few grams of the fissional atomic material is actually consumed, with the amounts measured in grams. When an entire planet fissions, and fissions almost completely, the result is correspondingly larger. A supernova event is an atomic bomb explosion, with the bomb being the size of a planet. The supernova is no more exotic than that. In most cases, the planetary nuclear explosion blows the associated star apart that has triggered the explosion. By themselves, stars cannot explode. If a giant star would die, for which no evidence exists, it would die by electron depletion. Its plasma would then simply disperse. The star would in effect vanish as if it had never existed. Only structures that consist of atomic materials can explode. We may have seen an extremely tiny equivalent event in the form of a captured asteroid exploding over the North Pole of our Sun on the 21st of July in 2014. Something had exploded there in the plasma corona, almost touching the Sun. The bottom line is that while the giant supernova events have always occurred and will continue to occur, our perception of them has evolved, of the principles that cause them, and it continues to evolve. We are able to see the supernova events with a different perspective now in the plasma universe.